Guess what day it is today? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest here. This is my sister, Alicia. The reason is, as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm gonna be handcuffed to her for the rest of the day and I am so excited. What? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Wait, are you being sarcastic? No, so she's basically really excited because literally for the longest time whilst I've been doing my exams, what have you been doing?
Oh yeah, I've kind of actually missed Simran because
What?
I actually missed someone.
that, yeah.
No.
I don't want everyone to know.
No, you're moist.
I just really wanted to annoy someone, so that's why I missed her, but not because I actually like her or anything like that.
She's been like literally knocking on my door, standing outside like, when are you gonna be done?
I don't talk like that.
Yeah, you do. You're like, Sima!
Simran! You know when she had exams, she did not talk to me at all. She was like,
get up, I need to work, get up.
Okay.
That's what happens when you're in the zone.
all I wanted to say was hi.
Well, today is your day because now we're gonna be handcuffed to each other for the rest of the day. Okay, so am I gonna be on this side?
No, this is my right hand. This is my dog.
You literally swap places with me to go to that side.
No, are you trying to trick me?
No.
No.
Let's just do it, yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Should I get into it?
That's too tight. I know I'm stuck.
Yeah, well, you now have to.
My blood is constricted. How do I get out?
You can't.
The rules of this challenge are that we have to be handcuffed.
Sima warned me. Sima! Don't do that.
Okay.
Look. Ow.
Oh, this is strong, guys. Leave a link down below if you need something strong like this. God knows what you're doing. Time is 12:11 and we're therefore going to be handcuffed till 12:11 tomorrow. So basically, I have a really busy day ahead.
What do you have to do?
I have a meeting at 2 and then I have tutoring.
You didn't tell me you had a meeting at 2. I'm not sitting there on the side.
You have to.
That's not fair. You're controlling me. I don't have a life. I just sit here.
Yeah, okay, then we'll do some stuff that you like. What do you like?
Watching TV.
Okay, we'll do some watching TV. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get into it. Whoosh! Ow.
Let's go. Oh my god.
Mom.
कैदी नंबर 420.
Handcuff in the hand of my two daughters. No business.
Did he look?
Oh, that's no good.
Why?
I don't like it.
Why?
Oh, that's danger.
Daddy, you want me and Allah to be best friends. This is how we're best friends.
No.
Finally woken up and I'm going to give her the keys, handing over control. Wait, are you actually going to take it now?
Yeah, I'm gonna go hide them.
This is real. We don't have the
It's
keys.
only been 5 minutes and I feel like it's been like 3 hours.
Wait, why? We've literally just walked down the stairs.
Try and eat with this hand.
I don't need to.
That's how it feels.
Actually quite tired after that meal, so I'm gonna lie down. Come on!
What does that remind you of? Why are you slapping yourself? Why are you slapping yourself? Why are you slapping
Wizards of Waverly.
Yeah.
I have a meeting at 2 that I need to basically attend to, so we'll see you then.
Guys, just look at me. I'm just sitting there doing absolutely nothing.
We have decided that we're going to venture outside and we're going to the park and basically do an obstacle course. And Alicia's scared of heights, so I don't know how that's gonna go. Let's go. This is gonna be a disaster. What are you doing? Hey. I'm so tired. Literally look at my hands.
Oh my god, I'm
We're literally
sweating
so much.
Okay. So basically, Simran has told me something that I am not looking forward to. She needs to pee.
I actually have urgent incontinence, which means that when I need to go, I need to go. Okay, you need to bend down a little bit.
I don't know where to look.
Oh my god, it's so hot. I'm gonna try we have this bidet thing, I'm gonna try it with this.
Oh my god. Ew! Sima, I don't want to be here for that experience. Okay, waiting. That's not funny!
I'm sorry.
What do I do? I feel like crying. It's so warm.
Yeah. That's what I was telling you, it's so warm.
Yeah, but you don't need to put it on me.
I'm sorry.
You're really not.
I actually am not. That was so much fun.
You could have told me my hair looks like this, isn't it?
Yeah, but you're au natural.
I'm trying to look cool when I do it, you know, like in those hair outfits.
Malpani is shinier, thicker, stronger. Artica enriched almond hair oil.
Just baking some chocolate chip cookies. I'm very excited, never baked in my life, but I'm just going to... Oh yeah, with a twist. With a twist!
Just spending 5 hours to do this is making me 10. And
yeah, your banter is 100 like mine.
no, I'd rather not.
Guys, I love butter so much.
Ooh.
Okay.
It's kind of melted, that's how
hot it is.
Yeah, do you want to put this in a bowl?
Rhea, microwave this.
Rhea, put this in the bin.
What if I said no? No, I would have to get up, Rhea. I'm not the baker. Rhea should go on Bake Off.
I want you to get to that level where they make those like crumb cocaine.
Yeah, I really want to do that.
Cocaine?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, basically there's this cake called cocaine. It tastes really nice. White powder and everything.
You're just talking about flour lies.
I'm talking about icing.
Yeah. Oh, now can I taste it?
No! Let me see. Sima, it's not nice. If Sima would like to do something.
Okay. It's so much help. It's helping you, isn't it? Oh.
Sima!
You have no himmat, you know, in you.
Look what my hand is attached to.
Am I good, Rhea?
Very good.
Thank you.
Right there.
Better than you. Shut up. Okay, I need to go now. I'm tutoring.
No, I need to go too.
I'll finish off.
I had tutoring, so we had to stop the baking, and then Alicia just fell asleep next to me. What did you think of my tutoring?
You're really nice. I really like the girl.
Yeah, my tutie is so cute. She's adorable. Guys, it's literally way too hot. Like, oh my god, we're having some sort of heat wave. Oh my god, no, don't do it on me. Don't do it on me. Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. I can't even run away from me. Oh my god, no, Rhea. No. My camera! It's time for dinner and we've decided to have a pani puri competition. This is like the #1 Indian snack. So what we're going to do is have 10 pani puris in each plate and see who can literally gobble them up the quickest. 3, 2, 1, go. Hi everyone, basically we're on a walk right now. Guys, literally, look what we found.
That is actually so nice.
Yeah,
I really
so
like
cute.
the way it demonstrated who the actual heroes are. Like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I get what you
really,
mean.
really nice.
One day I'll be a hero. I'll be a hero.
And so will I.
Yeah. To be honest, I'm already Alicia's hero. You know it's true.
Dream.
We nearly finished our walk and just heading back. I don't know how we're gonna sleep together. I'm so tired.
I'm actually dreading this.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Literally, that was not great.
I don't want to talk about it. So painful. You kept moving the whole night. And then I had to keep moving with you.
And Alicia's such a light sleeper as well, so she will literally just wake up. Whereas I'm in deep sleep. I think we have like bruises everywhere.
I do.
It's time to wake up now, Lil. Wake up. If I get up, you have to get up. Okay, this is Alicia. In the morning. You're gonna have PTSD after this.
I'm never wearing these stupid things again.
Why would you need to wear them again? I don't understand. Why would you need to wear them again? You only wear them for being handcuffed to me. So So we are, oh my god, so close to finishing. Cousin has decided to hide our keys and she's done a scavenger hunt for us.
There's 3 clues. I'm gonna give you one of them right now.
Yeah.
And the 3rd clue is where the key is.
Okay.
And the clues are quite hard, so you just need to think outside the box.
Real one!
If you can't find the key.
No, Amisha, I can be bothered. I need to get out of this mess, man.
You would think I can grow plants, but I defo can't. I am not made out of glass either, but I can be warm, depending on the weather. My colour might be ugly, but I can feel your tummy. Is it my fish? It's like, my colour might be ugly, it's orange colour.
Okay.
And
something about glass.
But I can be in your tummy. Glass, it's in a glass bowl.
Alicia, you're so good at this.
I don't know if it's actually right.
Okay, let's go. Rhea, this is actually so good. You made it rhyme. The mastermind behind it all. Is it fish?
I can't see it. I don't have my contact.
No. It's not the fish.
It's got nothing to do with plants, but there's this specific keyword. It's a scientific word. If you get that word, you get what it is.
Oh, so it's a shed. It's a shed. Oh, sorry, it's a shed. Oh, Rhea, I think we've got it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's here. Oh my god. Okay, cool.
I might be mini, but I do the same job. Might have to bend over each time, I think, but I don't require a key. A mini fridge.
Wait, you're not playing the game with me, Alu. You're literally playing this game by yourself.
Sima, it's really easy because you have a mini fridge.
The last one, Alu's allowed to guess.
Okay, it's all on me.
Wait, I can't find it.
Oh, it's under the milk. Oh. In this house, I have a twin. I'm here to keep things clean. You might want to go for a spin if you want to find me, because I can fit in.
Do you know how there's twins? Both of those twin objects are downstairs.
No.
I think it's shoes.
Yeah, that was really smart the way you thought about it, but it's not that. It does go with it as well.
It goes with it, right? Perfect.
Because you go for a spin like a walk.
Yeah.
Is
Was it the oven?
The oven, because there's 2 of them. It's one's
We still
grill.
have the cookies. Oh, in this house I have a twin. I have a twin.
Oh, there's 2 washing machines now.
You might want to go for a spin.
Oh my god, yes! I got it! Oh look, I got it! Oh my god, this is the first clue I've got.
Look up. Oh, did you find it? Oh, is it? Oh!
Finally went free.
Sima, give it fast.
Okay, do you want to do the honors? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm actually so bruised. Thank you so much, Rhea, for doing this scavenger hunt for us. And that is 24 hours of us being handcuffed, apart from Rhea, over. And I'm so happy, and this is literally never happening again. You need to go your way, I need to go my way, and I can't wait. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye! Bye!